sewer camera inspection. I'm on a plumbing vent stack out here on the roof on the north side of the property. I'm going to try to get into the drain system through this ABS pipe. Alright, so now we're down in the horizontal part, drain system. There we've got another drain connection out to the right hand side there. Another drain connection on the left hand side. We should be in the main horizontal run right now though. A little bit of debris in the bottom of the pipe there, not bad though. Just a little bit of gunk. Well, now the water level is getting a little higher. We're still underwater here in this drain pipe. This drain line shouldn't be underwater. You can see there's just a tiny bit of air in that pipe on the top of it. That's the rest of this is water. It's full. Just checking the side walls of the pipe there, making sure we don't have any cracks or breaks. So I'm at my limit. I'm at 106 feet right now. I can't push any farther. This has been underwater for the last 20 feet. So either the sewage ejector isn't functioning as intended, or there's a clog in the line, or the septic is full and backing up into the house. But this is clean water, but it is backing up into the home. We're going to need to get that septic tank cleaned out, pumped, and get this line rechecked just to make sure that it clears out. So we shouldn't have standing water in these pipes. They should all be draining. Underwater here, 78 feet. Now we're starting to get out of the water again at 53 feet, so there's quite a bit of water backing up.